everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the rope stitch. It is really nice. It is like a shell V fan type pattern. It's great for beginners because it only uses chains and double crochets. And so without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. Alright, what we're going to do is start off with a slip knot as usual. Alright, and for your project you're going to want to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2, and then on your foundation row you're going to want to add an additional 1. So I believe for my previous swatch I did a total of 15 stitches, so I'm going to go ahead and repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, here are my 15 stitches. So for row 1, we are going to double crochet in the 4th chain from our hook. So of course not the loop on our hook, but 1, 2, 3, and then this 4th one where I have my thumbnail. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, and double crochet. Alright, now what we want to do is chain 1. And we are going to double crochet into the next chain of this row. So not the one we just worked in, just the next one over. We're going to work a double crochet. Alright, and so now we are going to skip this next chain and we're going to work a double crochet into the next one over. Alright, we're going to chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, now we're going to repeat that. So we're going to skip this next stitch. You're going to yarn over and double crochet into the very next one. Yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, we're going to now chain 1 again and double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, and when you get to the end of your row you should have one more stitch, and we're just going to double crochet into that last stitch there. Oops. Careful not to ply your yarn. Alright, and so this is what our first row looks like. Don't worry if it curls up a little bit on you on the edge. It'll do that. It's normal. Alright, so for row 2 what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and this row is going to be our repeat throughout the rest of our pattern. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip these first 2 double crochet, right, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet all into that first chain space, just like that. And that creates our little V's that you saw in the swatch at the beginning. So we're going to do that again. We're going to skip the next 2 double crochet in our row, okay, and we are going to again make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all into that same chain space. As simple as that, all the way across our row. And when you reach the end of your row, all you're going to do is make a double crochet in the top of that chain 3 from the beginning of the last row. Alright, and you will repeat this row until you reach the desired length of your project. And when you do that, you will get something again that looks like this swatch. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It helps me to know whether or not you guys like to see this content. Also, don't forget to check me out on different social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok. I have a little something out there for everybody, so swing on by, check me out, give me a follow. It helps me out a lot. You can check out my website where I post different knitting tips, tricks, and patterns all the time. So yeah, head on over, and until next time guys, happy making.